This is Lumos, the world's first smart bicycle helmet that provides integrated lights with brake and turn signals. I love cycling because of the freedom it gives me to get around quickly and easily. But I often feel invisible at night, even with my bike lights on. That's why I created Lumos. I wanted to take control of my own safety by building a helmet that will make me more visible to everyone on the road. Lumos is a next-generation helmet that brings intuitive and common-sense features to your most important piece of gear. At its core, Lumos is a comfortable helmet designed to be both sleek and strong. With more than 60 built-in LEDs, Lumos really helps you stand out at night. Its lights make you more visible in all directions because they are higher and larger than traditional bicycle-mounted lights. And since they are part of the helmet, you don't have to worry about your lights being stolen off your bicycle or forgotten at home. With a built-in accelerometer, Lumos detects when you're slowing down and automatically displays a brake light so that people behind you can easily see and react to your changing speed. Hand turn signals are often hard to see at night. Lumos displays left and right turn signals controlled by a wireless remote on your handlebar so that drivers can see your intentions and give you space. We built Lumos to be rugged and water resistant. With one button to turn on and simple micro USB charging, Lumos is easy to use and fits seamlessly into your daily routine. After more than a year of research and development here in Boston, we have a finalized design and are working with a factory that has more than 20 years of experience building high-quality helmets. We are ready for production, but first we need your help. By backing this campaign, you can be one of the first people in the world to receive this helmet and be part of the movement for better cyclist safety. To get Lumos out on the road, please also consider sharing this with your friends and people you know who bike. Thank you so much for your support. Be seen and be safe.
If you're anything like me, you rely on your cell phone's second oxygen. That's why we see USB ports sprouting up everywhere.
Like Bethany, I also use my phone like it's a fifth limb. Keeping it charged can be kind of tricky. Sure, when you're out and about in your car, you can just plug it right into the USB. But what about when you're riding your bike? With no practical solutions out there that marry the USB to the bike, I decided to design my own. The challenge wasn't just adding a USB connector to existing product, it was designing a brand new generator that would produce sufficient power without sacrificing performance. It took me 3 years to develop this USB frictionless generator system, and after pints of blood, sweat, and a ton of profanity, the Sidekick was born. Through my 10 years of experience in product development, I understand that there's more than just a cool new product. That's why we've exercised ample time to make sure that we account for all variables in the equation. It's only now that we're reaching out to the Kickstarter community for your support. If you can help us reach our goal, we'll use the funding to purchase tooling and kickstart low-volume production of the Sidekick.
Philosophy is man's expression of curiosity about everything, his attempt to make sense of the world through his intellect.
We have a little treat for you, avid bikers and environmentalists, from Spinetics, a new design born here in Miami. Follow us here for future updates.
Hi guys, my name's Sam Pearce. I'm the founder of a design company and we've produced the Loop Wheel. Loop wheels are suspension within the wheel. So you can fit one of our wheels to an existing bike and you can have full suspension. So I thought of the idea in 2007 and did some sketches, but since then the design has come on and evolved considerably. Loop wheels have been developed for small compact bikes. They allow suspension where suspension can't normally fit. They allow to go over bumps easily, they're low maintenance and they're fun. This is our own Loop Wheels test facility where we can test our own wheels in-house on our own test machines. We have different machines for different tests. This one is for testing the damping of the wheel. We also have some quite sophisticated machines for testing the wheels riding over curbs. This one we can drop weights from a certain height and make the wheel move out. It allows us to compare our wheels with spoke wheels. It also allows us to test them to destruction. Here we have our rolling road where we can load the wheels up with the force of the rider and then test them over thousands and thousands of miles to make sure the wheels last the lifetime of the bike. So as you can see, we've put a lot of effort and resource into our test house, but we don't have the funds to take this to do the tooling required to produce this wheel in volume. So we've come up with a brand new concept in wheel technology using conventional components, our special springs, and all we need from you now is the money to tool it up to give you affordable Loop wheels.